Welcome to Kids Mass Knowledge. Today, we're diving into the world of peacocks. Sit tight, relax, and enjoy the beauty of this magnificent bird. Let's get started. Peacock, the beautiful bird. Peacocks are one of the most stunning birds in the world, known for their bright colors and majestic tail feathers. Let's learn all about them in simple terms. 1. What is a peacock? A peacock is a large, colorful bird famous for its shimmering feathers and long, fan-like tail. The name peacock is actually for the male bird, while the female is called a peahen, and together they are called peafowl. Types of peafowl. There are 3 main types of peafowl. 1. Indian peafowl, the most common type, with a bright blue body and greenish tail. 2. Green peafowl, found in Southeast Asia. These birds have more greenish and gold feathers. 3. Congo peafowl, a rare species found in Africa with blue and brown feathers. 2. Where do peacocks come from? Origin and habitat. Peacocks originally come from India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia, but they are now found in many parts of the world. Some even live in zoos and parks. Where do they live? Peacocks love places with forests, especially near rivers and water, grasslands, farms and villages. Sometimes people keep them as pets. They feel safest in trees where they sleep at night to stay away from predators like tigers and leopards. 3. Peacock feathers. Why are they special? A peacock's tail feathers, called a train, can be more than 5 feet, 1.5 meters, long. The feathers have eye-like patterns that shine in blue, green, and gold colors. Why do peacocks have such fancy feathers? To attract peahens. The male fans out his feathers and dances to impress the females, to scare away enemies. The big eye-like patterns confuse predators. Interestingly, peahens do not have long tails. They have brown feathers to help them hide from predators while sitting on their eggs. 4. What do peacocks eat? Diet. Peacocks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet includes seeds and grains, fruits and berries, insects like ants, termites, and beetles, small reptiles like lizards and snakes. They help farmers by eating pests and harmful insects. 5. Peacock sounds. What do they sound like? Peacocks can be very loud. They make different sounds for different reasons. Calling for a mate. A loud meow sound, warning of danger. A sharp kee-ow noise. Excitement or communication. Soft cooing sounds. They often call out before rain, which is why some people believe peacocks can predict the weather. 6. Peacock life cycle. How do they grow? Baby peacocks, peachicks. A female lays about 3 to 5 eggs in a hidden nest. The eggs take about 28 days to hatch. Baby peacocks, called peachicks, are brown and fluffy. They can walk and follow their mother just a few hours after hatching. Growing up. Male peacocks start growing long tail feathers at 2 to 3 years old. Peacocks live for about 15 to 20 years in the wild. 7. How many peacocks are in the world? Numbers and population. Indian peafowl, found in millions, not endangered. Green peafowl, fewer than 15,000 left in the wild, near endangered. Congo peafowl, less than 10,000, rare and protected. Peacocks are safe in most places, but some species are at risk due to hunting and habitat loss. 8. Peacock in mythology and culture. Peacocks are special in many cultures. India. The peacock is the national bird and a symbol of beauty and luck. Greek mythology. People believed peacocks were connected to the goddess Hera. China. Peacocks represent good fortune and peace. Some kings and queens even kept peacocks in their gardens to show their wealth. 9. Fun facts about peacocks. Peacocks can fly even with their long tails. They don't fly far, but they can fly onto trees. Their tail feathers fall off every year and grow back even more beautiful. Peacocks have 360-degree vision. They can see all around them without turning their heads. In some places, white peacocks are born due to a special gene. They look magical. Peacocks are truly one of the most amazing birds on earth, with their bright colors, long tails, and loud calls. Next time you see one, watch how it moves and listen to its call. It's like seeing a real-life fairy tale bird. Hope you learned some amazing facts about the majestic peacock, a bird known for its vibrant feathers, mesmerizing dance, and unique calls. Nature is full of wonders, and the peacock is truly one of its most beautiful creations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting nature stories.